In this demo, we will use the List and ListItem widgets to display a list of orders in a screen. In vODC Studio, we already have an app opened with the Orders screen created. This screen already has an aggregate created that fetches all the orders sorted by priority. Let's start by adding a List widget to the screen. We can easily do that by finding it in the toolbox on the left and dragging it to the main content area of the screen. This action adds an empty List widget to the screen and creates an error, since the data source is not yet bound to the widget. Every List widget needs to have a data source with the data to be displayed. Let's set that source to be the list result of the aggregate. Now the error is gone, but we still need to determine which data, and in which format, will be displayed on the list. As the list itself indicates, we will drag some data to the list to define that. Let's expand the aggregate on the right and select the description attribute of the order. By dragging the description and dropping it on the list, some widgets are created automatically. We have an expression, with its value referencing directly the description attribute from the aggregate's result. We also have a list item enclosing the expression. This widget is automatically added for layout purposes and can be used to represent the data of a single record in the list. Let's add the due date of the order to the list. We can see that the due date has been added to the list item, with less highlight than the description. This layout can easily be changed afterwards. We can also add other widgets to the list item. Let's save some room by reducing the width of the due date container and dragging a tag widget to the list item. This tag will display the priority of the order, so let's add an expression to it and set the value of the expression to be the label of the priority of the order. We're done, so let's publish the app. Before seeing it on the browser, let's see how this screen will look like in different devices. Since the widgets are responsive, changing the device and the screen size will cause the widgets to adapt. Here's the list of orders with the description, due date, and priority, using the widgets we added.